For a portable Bluetooth speaker, then here it is, the Huawei i5 Bluetooth speaker. It's me, Geek from Hong Kong. Jump to the unboxing table. Here is the Huawei Bluetooth speaker. I'm literally very much excited. This is the Huawei Bluetooth speaker i5. It have a 600 milliamp hour battery, built-in 3.5 meter. Okay, let me open it. I get this one with my Note 10. Huawei on a Note 10. Let me open it. Okay, come on. Okay, here we go. Finally, here we go. Wow, I mean, this look really cool, to be honest with you. Okay, how to take out the speaker? I'm very much excited. Okay, like this. There is a micro USB charging cable. Let me read the instruction. Okay, turn on. I can use with a 3.5 millimeter Bluetooth. Okay, if I have a 3 watt inside. I'm excited. I am literally very much excited. I mean, I'm excited, to be honest with you. Let me take the speaker out. Okay, it have like a, but sadly the Note 10 do not have a 3.5 millimeter output jack, but even it work with a Bluetooth, right? Okay, how I can connect with the Bluetooth? Is this the power? Sadly, there is no power. I mean, there is no power, sadly. Yeah, very sad news. By the way, how to turn it on? I mean, I'm a little bit confused. Long press. Okay, long press. Oh yeah, it's on. Long press. Okay, long press the key speaker, then turn on the Bluetooth and search the function. Okay, I think so, it's on. Where's my Ono Note 10? Okay, here's my Ono Note 10. Okay, Bluetooth, device connection, Bluetooth. Someone just ring. Okay, yeah, here it is. Okay, now it's on. Will you please keep quiet? I'm making a video. Okay, now let me play some song. Maybe like this. Wow, I mean, amazing Bluetooth speaker. I mean, it cannot stand, I think so. No, it cannot. Maybe I need to put in cover and see. I love this Bluetooth speaker. I mean, literally, it's amazing Bluetooth speaker. Yeah, I mean, with Note 10, the phone do not stand. I mean, literally, I love it. When I say I love it, then literally, I mean I love it. It's loud. I mean, I love it. Can I recommend? Definitely yes. The good thing is that maybe if you have old phone, you can easily plug the 3.5 millimeter. Yeah. Come out. It's not coming out. Okay, here we go. Like this. You see, it's shaking. Okay, yeah, I mean, this is awesome, to be honest. So this is amazing little Bluetooth speaker. I'm literally very much impressed. Can I put my phone like this? Yeah, maybe like this. Yeah, now it's working. So I can easily recommend. It was me, Geek. Subscribe and bye.